Ayaan Malik sat on the broken steps of his tiny rented room, staring at the unpaid bills scattered around him. The fan above barely moved, and the sound of rain dripping from the roof felt like a cruel reminder of his reality. He was 23, broke, jobless, and drowning in debt. But that night, something inside him changed. He whispered to himself, "No one is coming to save me. I have to save myself." The next morning, Ayaan woke up before sunrise. He had no money for breakfast, but he had something far more powerful: determination. He walked 2 miles to the city library and spent hours reading about entrepreneurship, financial management, and investing. For months, he repeated the same routine: walking, reading, learning. One day, while studying about e-commerce, he had an idea: why not start a small online store? He didn't have the money to build one, but he had a phone, free internet in the library, and relentless drive. He began reselling small handmade items from local artisans online. At first, he sold one product a week, but that one sale gave him more confidence than 1,000 lectures. Every rupee he earned, he saved and reinvested. Instead of buying clothes or food from fancy places, Ayaan focused on growing his small business. He learned about marketing, product photography, and customer service from YouTube tutorials late at night. His eyes burned with exhaustion, but his heart burned brighter with purpose. After 6 months, he earned his first $1,000. That moment felt surreal. He remembered the days he couldn't afford a bus ticket, and now he was running a growing online business. But success didn't come easy. One morning, he woke up to find that his supplier had quit, leaving him with no inventory. Orders piled up, customers complained, and refunds drained his savings. It was a nightmare. Many people would have quit, but not Ayaan. He took a deep breath and reminded himself, winners aren't those who never fall, but those who rise every time they fall. He restarted from scratch, this time sourcing his own products. He spent days visiting local markets, building new partnerships, and creating a small brand of his own called Dreambuilt, a symbol of hope for people like him. Within 2 years, Dreambuilt became a recognized online brand. Ayaan expanded his business into digital products and freelancing courses, teaching others how to earn online. His income multiplied, and so did his impact. He hired people who once struggled like him and taught them financial discipline, savings, and investment basics. He built multiple income streams: e-commerce, digital courses, stock investing, and content creation. Ayaan didn't just chase money anymore, he chased freedom. He wanted to wake up every morning with peace of mind, not pressure. By the time he was 29, Ayaan had achieved what most people only dream of: financial freedom. He owned properties, ran successful businesses, and had time to spend with his family. But his greatest achievement wasn't the money. It was the mindset he had built. He started a foundation to teach financial literacy to underprivileged youth. When asked in an interview what his secret to success was, he smiled and said, "It wasn't luck or talent. It was consistency. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great." Ayaan's story became an inspiration to thousands. His journey proved that you don't need a perfect start, you just need an unstoppable spirit. Financial freedom isn't just about wealth, it's about choices, courage, and control over your own time. Every person who watched his story realized one thing: if Ayaan could rise from nothing, anyone can. Because success isn't built in luxury, it's built in late nights, self-doubt, failure, and faith. And that's the truth behind every financially free soul. They weren't born lucky, they built their luck with discipline, patience, and belief. So if you're struggling right now, remember Ayaan Malik, the boy who had nothing but a dream, and turned that dream into freedom. Your story can begin today. All you need is to take the first step.